In this video, we're going to explain to you how to get a home paternity test. This is a peace of mind paternity test that'll give you your answer in the quickest and easiest way. What you would do is you would order our DNA kit, and then when it arrives in the mail, it'll come with paperwork. It's a really simple form where you're just putting your name, how you want to get your results. It's pretty straightforward. And then there's a swab packet, one for each person being tested, and just write, again, your name, basic details on one side. And you'd peel off the little sticker that seals it. And then what you do is there's two swabs inside. And you're just going to rub one swab on the inside of the cheek, put it back in the packet. The other swab is for the other side of the cheek, back in the packet. And then there's a little sticker here that you'll just peel open to seal it again. And that goes back to DNA Solutions. Drop it in, post it back, express post it back. And then you get your results in 3 days. So it's really fast. And the idea is just to alleviate that uncertainty and give you that answer. If you want to send in a discrete sample, so let's say you might want to just send a mouth swab for the father, but for the child, if you want to not let them know you're doing the DNA test, you could send in some nail clippings or a used toothbrush. And that just keeps everything a little bit discreet and doesn't upset, let's say, the child. Doesn't need to know while you're just making sure of things. And just one more thing to keep in mind, if you need your test to be valid in a law court or for any legal reason, then we have to take your samples. You can't send in your own at-home samples, and therefore you would need a legal paternity test. And that's a different service. You might want to click the video or read the information about that.